The wagons would line up here for a half a mile to drop off their grain to be milled. And it was all grown here in the valley.
The wheels and gears at Butte Creek Mill have been turning grindstones, making flour. It's much the same as it was when water began flowing through the turbine blades in 1872. In more than 130 years, a lot of things have changed in the Rogue Valley, but not a lot has changed at the Butte Creek Mill. And in all of Oregon, it stands as a monument to the pioneers who were very creative and resourceful in getting the work done that needed to be done to feed the population in this area.
"143 years old, the historic Butte Creek Mill saw its last Christmas.
People lovingly refer to this mill as the capital of Eagle Point.
Fires of this magnitude don't happen very often in our district.
It wasn't just a building. That was the heartbeat.
The fire at the historic Butte Creek Mill has been deemed accidental. At 4:12 a.m. on Christmas morning, it appears that heat was generated from an electrical malfunction, which led to the ignition of a smoldering fire.
People said that we're lucky no one was hurt and no lives were lost, but the mill also had a life of its own and will be missed by everyone.
Paperweight, and I've never seen another one like that.
I've never seen one, no.
It's really sad what happened to the mill, and every time I drive by it, my heart breaks. But what this really shows, we're not going to raise enough money to build the mill tonight. But what we are going to do is raise a lot of love for Bob tonight. Let him know he's not alone in this community. We're here to support him and his losses this year. And we're going to help you and do the best we can to help you rebuild this beautiful monument in Eagle Point.